Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. Today I am share how to update iOS 15 beta Apple device without PC. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Go to Safari and open betaprofiles.com. Download iOS profiles. Go to Profiles, download and install it. After restart complete, go to Software Update and click Download and Install. Download complete auto install. iOS 15 install task complete, ready to use. iOS 15 fast and smooth and many bug fix. Now update iPhone 6s to 12 Pro Max. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.